Wow, 750 degrees in Gila Bend right now. And 1,270 in Ahwatukee. Now, I'm not authorized to evacuate Ahwatukee, but this temperature seems pretty high.
Cave Creek is really
Yeah,
good.
Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they don't look good either. And frankly, Wickenburg is a total loss.
Nothing better on a hot summer day than some cold ceviche. Stick around, we're doing it now. Alright, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you all. We've got 10 jumbo shrimp. We got that in our water. We added some obey, some salt. We're going to turn the flame up to medium. And we're going to cook these for about 5 to 8 minutes or until they turn completely white. Once the shrimp are done, we're going to move them straight to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. And we'll set those to the side. While they're cooling, we're going to work on our vegetables. 1 celery stalk, sliced fine, about 1/4 cup. Italian parsley, chopped up fine, also 1/4 cup. 2 jalapeños, we'll cut the ends off, cut them in half, and then slice them nice and fine. And half of a red onion that I'm going to use the processor to chop up real fine. I've got 2 medium-sized cucumbers that I've peeled, and we'll slice those also very fine. And then 1 large avocado that we'll dice up. Alright, now we'll take our shrimp and we're going to cut those into 4 pieces. And put those into a bowl, and we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of lime juice. Mix it up well, and then we're going to put everything into the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. Next, we're going to work on our sauce. For that, you're going to need ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco sauce, and some good horseradish sauce. So we're going to use about 1 cup of ketchup, a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and a couple dashes of Tabasco sauce. And depending on how much heat you like, 1 good tablespoon of good horseradish. And we're going to give that a real good mix. And while that's mixing, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. I appreciate it. And hit that bell to stay up to date on our newest recipes. We're also going to hit that with just a tad of lemon juice. Mix that up, and that goes into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You want all the ingredients to get really cold. Now it's time to mix. Start off with half of our avocado, add our red onion, our jalapeno and celery. Then we're going to add our cucumbers, our parsley, and our shrimp. And we'll put our sauce in there. And we're going to give this a real good mix. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Give it another mix. And then we'll add the rest of our avocado. And this time we're just going to give it a little gentle fold. And then it's time to plate. I like to use these mason jar cups. I just think they add a little bit to it. So use a spoon and scoop it in. And I garnish it with a slice of lemon and a celery stick. And you've got a delicious summertime treat on a hot summer day. All right. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Come back for more.